Hi students and friends and viewers, welcome to this channel Satish Keys. I am B. Satish Kumar, lecturer in chemistry, Government Degree College, Srikakulam. Today we are going to learn a new advanced organic reaction that is called Wittig reaction. So it is the very important reaction in Unit 4 Cluster Chemistry Advanced Organic Reaction paper. The main aim of this reaction is synthesis of alkenes from carbonyl compounds by using Wittig reagents. Before going to know the statement of Wittig reaction, first of all we know the carbonyl compounds and Wittig reagent. Carbonyl compounds are aldehydes and ketones, whereas Wittig reagents are alkylidene phosphoranes. See the statement of this reaction. Carbonyl compounds reacts with alkylidene phosphoranes or phosphonium methylides or phosphorus halides to form alkenes. This reaction is known as a Wittig reaction. This reaction also known as Wittig olefination reaction. See the equation of this reaction. Initially I take carbonyl compound. So here carbonyl compound is ketone or COR. So this is the structure of ketone. So this ketone Wittig reagent. Here Wittig reagent is methylidene triphenyl phosphorane. The structure of Wittig reagent is this. Both these compounds reacted at room temperature to form alkene and triphenylphosphine oxide. So here the alkene structure is this. This is the alkene and the byproduct is triphenylphosphine oxide. The structure of triphenylphosphine oxide like this. So the name of this compound is triphenylphosphine oxide. So this is the equation of Wittig reaction. See, this reagent is Wittig reagent. So now the name of this reagent is methylidene triphenylphosphine or phosphorane. Here Wittig reagent existed in a halide form. So halide means the negative charged carbon directly bonded with positive charged atoms like oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur. Those forms are called as a halide forms. Here the Wittig reagent existed in the halide form. The halide form of this reagent we will see in the mechanism. First of all I write the Wittig reagent. The structure of Wittig reagent is this. This is the Wittig reagent. So this form is a phosphorane form. This phosphorane form involving in a resonance to form a jitter ionic halide form. This form is a halide form. This halide form having two charges. One is positive charge on the phosphorus, another one is a negative charge on the carbon. This forms seems like jitter ionic form. So this form is known as a halide form. The name of this form is triphenylphosphonium methylide. Here the negative charged carbon is a CH2. So the name is triphenylphosphonium methylide. This is the halide form of Wittig reagent. In step 1, halide form of Wittig reagent attacks the electrophilic carbon of ketone. See the equation of this step. Here ketone reacts with halide form of Wittig reagent. In halide form, nucleophilic carbon is present in this molecule. So this negative charge attacks the electrophilic carbon of ketone. This carbon is a nucleophilic, whereas a carbonyl carbon is a electrophilic. So the reaction between nucleophilic carbon and electrophilic carbon. So this allyl carbon attacks the carbonyl carbon. So the pi bonds shifted to oxygen to form a betaine intermediate. This betaine intermediate containing two charges, positive and negative charge. It's like tetraionic form. This betaine intermediate further involving in a step 2. So in this step, the negative charge of betaine oxygen attacks the positive phosphorus ion to form a cyclooxyphosphate product. This is a cyclic product. So this step is a cyclization step. Here the name of the product is cyclooxyphosphate. Here cyclo means cyclic, oxa phosphorus is present, so phosphate. So the name of this ring is cyclooxyphosphate. This cyclooxyphosphate further involving in a step 3. So this step is a ring opening step or ring cleavage step. Why this ring is involving in this cyclooxyphosphate ring is a stained ring due to small ring. So this ring easily involving in a ring opening reaction, that means reverse cyclo 2+2 addition. Here the breaking of bonds like this. It is a reverse 2+2 cyclo addition reaction. This cyclooxyphosphate ring further convert into a stable products like alkenes and triphenyl phosphine oxide. So this is the mechanism of this reaction. Once again see the mechanism of this reaction. Phosphorane form of the Wittig reagent involving in the resonance to form allyl form. So this allyl form attacks the carbonyl carbon of ketone to form a betaine intermediate. This betaine intermediate involving in a step 2, that is called a cyclization process to form a cyclooxyphosphate ring. This cyclooxyphosphate ring further involving in a reverse 2+2 cyclo addition reaction to form alkenes and triphenyl phosphine oxides. So this is the complete mechanism of the Wittig reaction. So thank you dear students. See you in next reaction.